Can you hear me properly? Can
Yeah,
you hear
but
me?
I don't have headphone. The phone is far from me. Because of that, I can't speak and I can't hear you clear.
You were listening or not?
No, listening problem.
Oh, how fortunate. Then how? Like when? What is the way we can talk? You can't hear me. Then in the when you have a earphone.
I have at home.
Okay. Then when you will go at your home.
In a few words.
Okay. Okay. Okay, no problem. And then we can talk at least. And uh, can you again show me the area again, please? Okay. It's totally mountain area.
Yeah, it's multi-news area.
Mhm.
Okay.
You are
I found that I'll watch everything.
okay. You have earphone.
Yeah, but they're not good.
Okay. You can hear or not in this earphone.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Then then you can communicate with me. No problem at all.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Please hold on one in particular place, and we just talk to each other normally.
Okay. I I am on the way.
Okay. Okay. You were going to in your house.
Yeah, I'm going to my home.
Okay. 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 And I'm still. What is the time by your watch? What is the time in your country?
So it's almost 10 o'clock.
Almost 10 o'clock. Okay. Okay. Here also you can. I can tell you that here 11 o'clock. Just 1 hour difference between your country and my country.
Okay, just 1 hour. No,
Yes, just one
it
hour.
was a tournament in India.
What?
when once upon a time there was a tournament in India,
Okay.
World Cup.
Okay.
We will watch them. Uh, I got information about the difference between these two countries on that time.
Okay. Okay. Definitely. Definitely. We definitely
Which,
uh, need to understand that what is the difference between India and your country, Afghanistan. And that's why we are talking to each other. That's why we spend our time. We just understand the what is the difference, what is the atmosphere of Afghanistan, what is the atmosphere of India. And you already show me your area's place that is really beautiful, and beautifully I can observe that place.
okay,
And
do you mean difference between India and Afghanistan?
I'm not telling you that what is the difference between India and Afghanistan. I know the difference between India and Afghanistan because the India is a secular country. Here is lots of community, uh, uh, you know, cooperate to each other, and they are live together. Maybe in your country there is no such types of atmosphere. Maybe there is only for Muslim community availability.
Yeah, yeah. Exactly. Bilkul mean Pashto.
Yes, I
Exactly.
know. Yes, bilkul exactly. Bilkul as a Hindi language also people are using
Exactly.
bilkul. Yeah.
It is usable in Pashto language.
Okay, pass. So, okay. Then share me something which is special in your country.
Okay, apples.
Apple?
Yeah,
Oh,
apples and grapes are very popular in
oh,
our country.
yeah. And then how much cost?
At little cost.
At least,
It's very cheap.
uh, like
Uh,
1 kilo.
1 kilo, I think, 7 kilo. At 100, 120 Afghani.
Okay, 120 Afghani rupees. Okay,
Okay.
okay. And
In
actually, maybe here also same. Something is Indian rupees 100, but it's depend on the quality of apple, quality of
okay, it's
fruit.
depend on the season and on the quality of the fruit.
Yes, yes, yes. Then in your country, it's the season of apple.
Okay,
Now is the season of apple fruit.
apple.
Okay, okay. Then
You,
okay, 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 okay. I got it.
oh, got it. Okay. There is two wind in our area.
Two, two.
Wind.
Okay, okay, okay. I observe that air is blowing.
Is blowing. Okay, two wind.
Yeah.
Wind
And
is blowing, and the
yes,
sun is shining.
yes, yes, I can see that your face is so shining. It's so shining in the
Okay,
sun.
so
Oh, okay, okay, okay. That's cool. That's cool. And tell me something about yourself, dear. You already told me, but even though we are not talking to this video, again you tell me that what's your name, what's your profession,
what?
what's your name, and what's your profession. What do you do?
Profession. Oh, my name is Ajin Ansarla Johar. In I think profession.
Profession means what
Okay, okay,
are
I
you?
got it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Not. I don't have any profession. Yeah.
Okay, still you are learning, still you are student.
Yeah, I'm student. Tell them.
Okay, 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 okay. I can see in your behind, I can see the tree. There is no too much leaf. Why?
Leave, listen.
Leaf, leaf, leaf. You can see the leaf.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's winter almost here.
Winter.
Winter season. Okay,
It's
it's the
20.
it's winter. Yeah,
It's going on winter.
yeah, yeah. It's going on.
Okay, but I observe that sun is shining your area, but there is no such types of feeling that there is winter.
Yeah, yeah. He's winter. But
Okay,
I.
okay. Mhm.
Why do you record the call?
Okay, I definitely tell you that why I'm recording this call. Okay, I
Yeah,
definitely
why
tell
do you
you.
record?
Yes, because the reason of you are my friend. I already told you that I want to talk all over the world. That is my intention. That is my uh, happiness. That's why I'm recording.
Okay, but I think it's not good because we
No,
say everything.
no, we are not. We are talking normally. You also understand. No problem at all.